In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a report in LaTeX Overleaf. So basically, what we're gonna have to do is simply create a new project, and as you can see here, we can start a blank one, or if you want, you can go to reports at the bottom, and as you can see here, we have different templates that we can use. So we have tens of them. So we can simply pick one of these to see if it's good for our project. We can view the source, we can view this as a PDF. So all we have to do is simply click on open as template, and then we can start editing it. We can also add new files, so new pages, and basically that's all we have to do. So as you can see here, we have different pages. Here we have how the preview, and here we can start editing it. We can also go to visual editor or use the code editor. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.